we will go into Philly Sports Bar. Do you take breakfast before?
What?
Breakfast.
Yes.
You want again second breakfast?
Breakfast about 250 pesos.
No, I mean, do you want right now? Okay, let's go to Philly Sports Bar.
Ilan pa yan?
Arabesque already open. Gold Bar also open. Maybe from 12 Gold Bar open and Arabesque. So this hotel already for sale, rent and sale. Space lease. A drugstore before. Shawarma. Shawarma will open only 3:30. Girl, say hello. Hello. What do you want? Say, talk with girl. Talk. Yes. My friend want to talk with you. My friend just arrived to the Philippines. Only 2 days in the Philippines.
Right.
No, thank you.
Do you have cheese in 1K?
I?
Do you have swap 1K?
Oh, sorry, don't have. Because I always use card. Maybe my friend have. You can ask later.
Sorry, sir.
No, thank you. Georgi, can you exchange? Maybe he can.
What?
Have 500 peso separate. One K. You can have. Don't have.
Нет, окей,
Don't
окей.
have. Oh, sorry, very sorry. Because he don't have.
А что поменять? Я не понял.
So you give phone number to girl?
Yes, I take her number, send her a message, and she got my number.
Very good. You can communication.
Yes.
You know her name?
Yes.
No, young girls, good looking, yes. It's for you.
I don't know how old she is, but
No, it's okay.
Kaya ano, Catholic, di ba?
Lucifer. It's 24 hours, Lucifer. Pool, billiard pool outside. Billiard pool is you've been already, yes? Billiard and pool. I know sunglasses shop in Los Angeles. 50 peso one sunglasses. So many. Interesting how much he sell sunglasses. Really, it's very cheap. 50 peso one sunglasses and any brand. Oh, of course it's copy.
I'm not sure these sunglasses protecting from ultraviolet radiation.
Maybe not protect. But he will say like already protect. We want Phyllis? Okay. Now time. Where you want sit? Maybe there? Fresh air. Have music here. We order today breakfast. This is bacon, egg, bread. My friend order also. It's different menu. How much? How much you paid?
289.
218. 18. 218.
Yeah, 289.
89.
For this.
Ah,
for
for
this
this.
290, yes?
Yes, it's 19. Yes, 219. It's cheapest. But it's good place for breakfast. Also, Margarita Station also good. No, I think it's safe. Did you eat before in the Margarita Station?
Yes.
Before, yeah? One of my subscribers said Margarita Station also good breakfast.
Yes, and cheaper than here.
Margarita Station cheaper, yes?
Yes. Maybe about 100. The same. 2 scrambled eggs. Maybe hash brown, I don't remember.
Today 58.35. Girls, see girls. Our lollipop already open, yes. Also beautiful girl. For you good? What do you think? Do you like?
Small one. But okay.
She work with tomboy. It's also girl.
Ah, this one?
Yes, yes. Left side is also girl. Yes, because most of in the Philippines girls like live together with girl also. No, it's also good because it's free country. Happy hour until 1 a.m. Shawarma already open. Shawarmanna. Name Shawarmanna. Oh, interesting electric bike. Small.